Panoorin natin ang nag-trending na sagotan ng mga congressman, particularly, sina Congressman Mark Olita, at Congressman Paduano, hinggil ito sa budget hearing ng Office of the Vice President.
Madam Chair, kahapon kasi hindi na kami pinagtanong sa Office of the President. Tapos ngayon naman, wala naman yung Office of the Vice President para tanungin namin, Madam Chair. So, Madam Chair, hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit yung two highest position in the land natin ganito sa ating budget hearing sa Kongreso, no? Madam Chair, isang insulto sa mamayang Pilipino at sa mga kinatawan dito sa loob ng Kongreso na hinalal ng mamamayan. Ano? Ang hiling natin makapagpaliwanag ng accountability at ang hiling natin ay maglinaw, no, ng mga, kasi marami pa po tayong tanong kaugnay dito. She may not like our questions last hearing, Madam Chair. She may not like being questioned about the OVP expenses. She may not like sitting with us here in the House. But, Madam Chair, she is accountable to the people and she has this sworn duty to the Constitution, being the head of the agency, to be here, no? Para po ipagtanggol or malaman natin yung budget niya, Madam Chair. So, yun lang, Madam Chair, as a manifestation. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair, may I manifest also?
Congressman? Sorry, Conference.
Madam
Yes.
Chair, pwede ba kami naman muna, hindi naman sunod-sunod na sila na lang. Madam Chair, please.
So,
Dito sumingit si Congressman Marco Olita, pero hindi siya pinagbigyan ng chairman na si Congresswoman Quimbo, kaya dito na nagsimula na uminit ang ulo niya.
Our members for orderly proceedings, please wait to be acknowledged
Yes,
before
ma'am,
you
pero-
speak. So sa ngayon po, dahil nauna po si Kong Franz, paunahin na muna natin siya. So Kong Franz, please proceed.
puro sila
And
na
then
po
I will
yung-
recognize you after. Kong Dante.
Pagkakasunod, madam eh.
Medyo nauna lang po siya ng 1
Di
second po.
ba, di ba
Kong
ang
Dante.
ating tradition, unang minority, pagkatas majority?
Wala pa po
sunod-sunod
tayo sa
naman
interpellation,
sila.
Kong
Oo nga
Dante.
po, pero maski na sa manifestation, dapat ganun din.
Nauna lang po siya, so yes po. Kong Franz, please proceed.
thank you, Madam Chair. So, ang ibig sabihin nito ay kahit na binigyan natin ang Office of the Vice President na second round, no, second time around na magpaliwanag do sa budget at magkaroon tayo ng pagkakataon na siya ay matanong dahil ito naman po talaga yung mandato natin dito sa Kongreso, no. Mabusisi yung budget. So ang ibig sabihin po nito ay binoboykot niya tayo. Pagboboykot ito, Madam Chair, dahil wala pang akong natatandaan na ahensya ng gobyerno o executive branch na binoykot ang Kongreso dito sa budget hearing and deliberation. So ang ibig sabihin, Madam Chair, betrayal of her oath of office. Kahapon nakita ko yung kanyang video na ginagalang niya yung power of the purse ng Kongreso. Alam niya na tayo po yung nag-allocate or nagbabudget or nag-approve ng budget ng lahat ng ahensya. So dahil pinapaubaya niya na sa atin ito, na hindi niya man lang i-defend, kasi ang laki-laki nung, Madam Chair, yung budget for socio-economic program delivery, socio-economic projects and stakeholder, ang ibig sabihin ba niyan, inaabandona niya na yung pinaplano niya siguro na mga constituents niya, nabibigyan niya nitong mga programs na ito. So, Madam Chair, ang problema dito, no, talagang bratinela to the max, no, na problema dito, no, talagang bratinela to the max, no. Ayaw na ngang matanong, no, umiiwas sa mga tanong, at eto pa, no, kapag gusto nating tanungin, hindi uma-attend doon sa Kaya talagang, Madam Chair, siguro later on, kung ano yung, later on na lang po, Madam Chair, yung aking magiging pasya, no, dito sa magiging budget at recommendation sa budget ng OBP. So, pasensya na po ang taong bayan, binoykot tayo ng Vice President.
Kung ano-ano pinagtatanong nyo sa kanya. These questions never happened before. That is the one I'm explaining to you. It did not happen before. Now, ang tanong ko po, ba't nangyari po nung nangyayari na naman ngayon?
We are talking of the office, not the person.
Motion was introduced.
You may not like the person, you may not like her presence here, but you have to respect the office of the Vice President. That is all. Because that is guided by the tradition. Kahapon po, kagaya po na sinabi nila, wala nang pinagtanong sa office of the President. And that is correct. That is in line with that tradition. Ngayon po, kung ang tinatanong ko ngayon, are we discarding the tradition? And is this committee authorized to discard a well-kept tradition? O kaya nga, then why are we intending to ask questions na naman at pinatawag nyo na naman kung sino-sino dito? That is why, kung hindi po kayo makakasagot, madam, ang tinanong ko na sa inyo, I am now moving. Oh. Bratinela pa. Bratinela pa. Saan po kayo nakakita ng gano'n? This did not happen anytime. Panglabing 7 taon ko na po ito.
Alam niyo, Madam Stella, I was already here when the Vice President was Noli Di Castro, when the Vice President was Binay, when Vice President...
But you were also here in the last hearing. No motion was introduced.
Yun na nga, kasi question na kaagad eh. Walang man lang...
We can read the records. No, we did not introduce.
Nag-motion siya ngayon.
What is
At sa puntong ito sumagot na si Congressman Paduano na nauwi sa matinding sagotan nila ni Congressman Mark Olita.
And it should be answered by the members. If the motion, then after that, Marcoleta will go to that motion. Hindi pa nga nasagot eh. Will we let just Marcoleta to speak? And then move to the motion? Sagutin muna. Sagutin muna yung point mo.
The chair will answer.
Yes, you can introduce a motion, but have a member introduce it.
No. Before we move a motion, parliamentary lang ka.
The rulings of the chair form parts of the precedents of this committee and of the House. So you have to answer the question.
Sagutin muna.
Yes.
Then saka mag-move. Kung may mag-move.
Okay, settle. Yes. Rulings of the chair form parts of the rules because it will set a precedent. So if we will set a precedent now that we are discarding traditional parliamentary courtesy, then goodbye parliamentary courtesy. Wala na tayong parliamentary courtesy. Next hearings.
Dapat answer your query or your manifestation. Then,
Paano member ni chairman at tinatanong kung pira naman na kung ano? The question is addressed to the chair. Why would the members answer that?
we don't have the authority to speak.
Ako naman yung pinagsasabi.
Why the chairman only speak? Di ba kami pwede salita? We are also member, just the same. Dante, alam mo yun. Alam mo yun. Can the vice chair cannot answer your query if he has the answer? Pwede.
Ang pinag-uusapan natin, ang chairman ang sasagot.
No. It is not only the
Ano naman
chairman.
magsasalita na ganyan?
Bakit? Kaya nagsalita na nga eh. Kaya na ang tumapon. Hindi pwede yun. Hindi pwede magsalita yung iba. Hindi pwede yung chairman lang. Di ba? Pwede ba yung Dante? Saan parliamentary procedure in the House that the members cannot speak? Pwede. Di ba?
Tumigil para lang sa